Technology drives creativity in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where high-tech experts at Arctur help companies, NGOs and R&D centers unlock their immense innovation potential. As the leading provider of supercomputing services and solutions in Central Eastern Europe, Arctur has been merging research, science, art and business through technology for nearly 3 decades. Today, it is a meeting place of talents of the most various profiles who are on a mission to develop sustainable operations and solutions with 3D and gamma-ray technology, web services, and high-performance cloud computing.
Our mission is to bring complex IT solutions to small organizations and communities and empower them to compete with big players on a global market, always with a win-win-win spirit.
With Tourism 4.0, we are co-creating the future of tourism. We are supporting all stakeholders of the tourism ecosystem in creating solutions that respect the quality of life of the local communities.
Led by the motto, "We don't follow changes, we co-create them," Arctur pushes the role of advanced technology in the fields of cultural heritage, design, education and economy. With creative solutions, such as the Tourism Impact Model, it helps local communities understand their limits and build an intelligent, data-driven tourism ecosystem. By being green, creative and smart, Arctur is an example of the dynamic Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Unleash your power in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.